Hello friends, let's make this wonderful pizza recipe. Do you have any carrots? Let's make this wonderful pizza recipe. Welcome to my channel. My name is Olayemi. If you are new here, you're welcome. For old and new subscribers, thanks so much for being supportive of my channel. Olayemi Cooking Love, cooking easy and delicious recipe. So let's start making this our pizza recipe. So I'm going to add lukewarm water into this bowl. Lukewarm water into the bowl. So we are going to activate our yeast on step by step on how to make your homemade pizza dough. So let's add our sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar into the bowl. You can as well use honey to activate your yeast when you're making your pizza. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, which is 7 grams of yeast. So let's give it a stir. Let's make our pizza dough a perfect pizza dough. So I'm going to stir this. As I said, all these ingredients will be in the description below. Please do not forget to check that out. So we are going to proceed in the other step of our pizza dough. So I'm going to add my all-purpose flour into the bowl. That's a mess. Let me quickly clean that up. So I'm going to mix my flour, and I just add a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to mix everything until it's well mixed. I don't want my dough to be too watery, and I don't want it to be too hard. I just want it to be a perfect pizza dough. So I'm going to mix all my flour with my other ingredients until I didn't find any flour in my bowl. So if you have not liked, please do not forget to hit the like button. And if you have any question regarding any of my recipe or this pizza recipe, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. I'm always there to answer any of your questions. So I'm going to go ahead and add cooking oil into my pizza dough. You can as well use olive oil or as well use butter to make your pizza dough, but I'm using cooking oil. I'm going to mix this up, but you can see it look a little bit hard. I can mix it with this spoon. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my hand to mix it up. So let's use my hand to mix our pizza dough. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated on my latest recipe. Olayemi love uploading new video weekly, Monday 9 a.m. and sometimes Wednesday and Fridays. So do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated of my new recipe. So I just made that up. Our next step is to leave our pizza dough for 45 to 1 hour. So I'm just going to cover it up with a transparent wrapper. So I want to seal it up, so I want to trap all the air into my pan. So that's why I'm trying to cover it up. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. So I'm going to cover it up as well with my kitchen towel. You can as well put it in the oven in a warm place for 1 hour as well, or 30 minutes in a warm place. So let me just cover it up with my kitchen towel. So let's start making our pizza topping. So I have this fresh diced carrots, baby carrots, spring onions, and some red that's roasted beef and cheese. So let's go ahead and prepare our pizza pan. I have butter. I'm going to use butter to rub the surface. You can as well use a spray butter to rub your pizza pan, or as well use a cooking oil to rub your pizza pan. I've tried that in my previous video on how to make a pizza at home. You can as well check that video out. That recipe really tastes delicious as well. So I'm just going to rub this up because I don't want my pizza to stick in my pan. I want it to be easy for me to remove my pizza from my pan. So this is how I'm going to do that, and let's go up and check our pizza dough. after 45 minutes, and this is the outcome after 45 minutes. Let's open it up. So this is it. All the air has been trapped into it, so it has risen twice the size and is perfectly okay for me. So I'm going to open it and let's check our pizza dough, the outcome. So let's just see how it looks. If you've not liked, please do not forget to hit the like button and to encourage me to do more. So I'm going to use my hand to mix this because I want all the air to still remain in it. So let's transfer this to our pizza pan. If you've not liked, do not forget to like. Let me show you one of the pizza sauce I didn't show you earlier. So we are going to need pizza sauce as well. This is an homemade pizza sauce. So let's see the outcome of our pizza dough in the pan. So I'm going to use my hand to spread our pizza dough. I'm not that yet a professional on how to flip that your pizza dough with your hand without even use rolling pin. I'm still trying to learn that. When I get that, I'll share it with you guys how to do that as well. So I'm going to use my hand to move the pizza dough in the pan, and I'm going to try to cover all this hole in the pizza dough, because once I did cover it, the sauce will go out of the pizza and it won't make the pizza to come out perfectly where the way you want it. You can as well fill up your pizza. I normally see this. You can fill up your pizza topping with any flavor, anything you want to put on the surface. I saw it on Instagram, someone asking if you can use a fish on your pizza. Actually, I'm going to try that one or some other time, and I'm going to show you, and let me know what you think. If you like fish in your pizza or you like pineapple in your pizza, let me know in the comment section. So let's go up and fill up our pizza. So I just add my pizza sauce in the surface, rub it, and just do it a little, some cheese, not too much cheese on your pizza, so you can see your pizza sauce as well. So I'm going to add all my cheese. I just want my pizza sauce to still remain in the surface so I can see my pizza sauce. So that's why I'm adding little cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese on my pizza. Is a perfect cheese for any pizza. So let me go ahead and add my roasted beef. You can as well use chicken. I've tried chicken pizza with you guys, so I just add my spring onions or my green onions, whichever you know it, spring onions. So I just add it to the surface. Just add your topping, little, not too much, just make it suit your taste. My diced baby carrot, you can use any type of carrot. As I said, any carrot. Do you have any carrot for this wonderful pizza recipe? So I just fill up my carrots in my pizza. Actually, this recipe really tastes delicious. Let me know what you think in the comment section once you try this, and do not forget to try it. And remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to encourage me to do more. And do not forget to hit the like button to make me do more of this recipe. The more the like, the more I want to do more of pizza recipe with you guys. So this is the outcome of our filling, and you can see how it looks really rich with flavors and topping. So let's go straight to the oven. I already preheated my oven for about 15 minutes now. So you need to let the oven to be very hot before you put your pizza in the oven. You can as well make a pizza in a pan, so I'm going to share that with you some other time. Let's put it straight in the oven and wait for 25 minutes before bringing out our pizza. So this is the outcome after 25 minutes. So you can see our pizza is ready. If you've not liked, please do not forget to like, and if you've not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get notification of my latest recipe. So let's slice our pizza. My kids can't wait for this, and they're already asking, Mom, is this ready? Is this ready? So this is it. It looks beautiful and it looks delicious. So you can as well take your slice on this pizza. So this is the outcome after 5 minutes of the pizza in the oven. So thanks so much for watching, and please be safe out there. Please do not forget to share my recipe with your loved ones. I guess I will see you in my next recipe, and be safe.